Hello, today we're going to talk about the United States ISM Purchasing Managers Index, which has just come in, and the ISM Manufacturing PMI in the United States fell to 46 in June 2023, the lowest since May 2020, from 46.9 in May 2023 and below forecasts of 47. The reading pointed to a faster rate of contraction in manufacturing, with companies managing outputs down as softness continues and optimism about the second half of 2023 weakens. Demand remains weak. Production is slowing due to a lack of work, and suppliers have capacity. And if we look at the numbers again, we're seeing that the price pressures eased and the supply deliveries index increased to 45.7 from 43.5, a sign manufacturing lead times improved again. On the other hand, the customers' inventories index dropped into too low territory, 46.2 versus 51.4. We shall see whether this is going to turn out to be a positive for future production, but the data that is coming in is not pointing to a economy that is really getting out of hand, and we're still facing the problem with the central banks. So I think central banks should really be aware of this. They are, of course, but still, we have to see whether this will lead to a policy shift or not. For the time being, no better news. If you would like to receive further updates on what's going on in the market space, please like and subscribe. Thank you.